In today's video, we'll talk about the attention market and how to move as fast as your audience. Why do traditional campaigns fail now? Because the world's moving too fast for 9-month marketing campaigns. Gary Vee has that phrase, day trading attention, meaning attention is a live market, not a forecast. And I think that's spot on. That's why I treat my content like short-term trades. Test, watch, adjust. I use Schedulala to help me see that rhythm visually, and the cue and the calendar stop me from overposting one day and vanishing the next. What does day trading attention actually look like for a small creator? It's posting small bets every day instead of one big campaign. I'll change just the hook and the caption and drop the new version into the queue. And when one gains traction, I can duplicate it and then tweak it for another platform and schedule it out again. And Schedulala's duplicate it and edit flow makes that process quick. How do you stay creative when you're working to post that often? So I make sure to separate creativity from posting. I'll batch create in bursts, edit everything, and then calmly schedule it out later. I can upload everything at once and then drag posts around Schedulala's calendar until everything feels balanced. And seeing everything laid out visually can help my brain stay clear and stops last-minute chaos. That way I have more energy to focus on the creative aspects. Do you have to chase every new format? No, but I do like to test a few just to see how audiences react. Schedulala lets me label those experiments and slot them separately from my regular content, and it's an easy way to compare all your data in one place. And after a week or so, I can tell if it's worth leaning into or letting it go. How do you balance sales posts with authentic ones? I use a loose ratio. I try to do 60% value, 30% story, and 10% promo. And when I'm using Schedulala in the calendar view, I can see if I'm using too many promos in a row. When I see too many promos in a row, I can just drag one over and drop in a story. And Schedulala's visual cue helps me keep that organized. And then my feed never feels spammy.